Greetings punters, Ben here. Welcome to game 905, and this is for the Amazing Spider-Man number 4, first appearance of Silk. So we are live, and it is 9:33 a.m. and it is 9:33 a.m. All right. Just go and see how many spots we've got. All right. 57 spots. Deej at the end. And Deej at the front. 57, 57. Alrighty. Okay, looks good. All the usual names. 57. Alright, 3 dice roll. Okay, 1 and 6 is 7 and 1 is 8. 1, 6, 7, 8. 8 rolls. Here we go. Underway. It's 1. It's 2. It's 3. It's 4. It's 5. Okay, got 6. 2 less than the total. 1 and 6, 7, and 1 is 8. So we have 2 more. So this is it for 7. All right, 7 times. Next one is for the win. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, so there we go. 8 times. Let's go and see who our winner, the Amazing Spider-Man number 4. And it is. Andrew Rubenfeld. There you go. Congrats, Andrew. Get in contact with Christine to claim your prize. And we are done. Thanks for playing, everyone, and we'll catch you next time.